Hey, hi guys. Uh, Today we are officially launching the CraftTrack platform. And what CraftTrack is, it's basically an Indian lead code, completely designed and developed in India. And here you can solve all your DSA related questions. So till now, this project was internally used for our students or our users, which were like हमारा क्या है कि कोर्स चल रहा है तो उसमें जो भी स्टूडेंट्स रजिस्टर्ड हैं only those students were using, but today we are officially launching it. And I'll be showcasing all the features, what it has, how you can use it, and what it has to offer you. So let's say like we have this URL crafttrack.com. If you will reload it like for the first time, then you will see this interface. So initially I think by default for you it will load in light theme. So this app is available in two modes. This is light, and from here itself you can select to dark mode also. बहुत सारे लोगों को डार्क पसंद है, बहुत सारे लोगों को लाइट पसंद है, तो चूज अकॉर्डिंगली वट एवर यू लाइक. So I do prefer dark mode. That's why my uh, choice, like initially the app was open in dark mode. So what, like I'll be coming to this, what all these. So the main or the basic phenomena of this app is you have the questions, you can solve it, run your code and submit the solution. Let's say we have this problem, और लेट्स से वी हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम सेट मैट्रिक्स जीरो. ये बहुत ही फेमस और स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉब्लम है लीड कोड का. तो इफ आई स्विच टू लाइट, लेट्स से इन डार्क ओनली. सो यहाँ से यू कैन रीड द डिस्क्रिप्शंस and you can read the input output format, what is sample test case, and what is expected output. I think I have already solved. No, I haven't solved it. So this is something कि जो आपको predefined code मिलेगा. You don't have to write code to take input. You don't have to write code to take output. वैसा नहीं करना है. You just have to write the logic. So if you will compile, you will see the output if it is success or failed. Look, so currently we are getting wrong answer because we haven't written the logic. Even you can submit it also. So submission was successful but with wrong answer. तो एक बार हम already submit कर चुके हैं. We can see the previous code also like this, and the result was accepted. So if we close this, like this is something which everyone needs it. Like क्वेश्चन है, उसको रीड किया, सबमिट किया, सॉल्व किया, whatever. With this, like जो हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं टू स्टे मोटिवेटेड, बिकॉज ये हमारे प्रोग्राम का पार्ट है कि वी डू want our all the students should get motivated all the times. So for that what we have is a leaderboard. So if we go to leaderboard, you will see the uh, top rankers, top problem solvers. So if you see, Chetan has currently solved 940 problems, and by this we can go to his profile also. If I go back, and similarly for all the users. So initially, like till now, this app has been private, so that's why we have limited user. But now we are launching it publicly, and we were testing it also, like it was in beta testing. But now we are officially launching it, and I can show you some features in light mode also. So here you can see जो भी टॉपर्स हैं अभी तक के, वो तीन यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होंगे. एंड देन यू कैन फिल्टर आउट द प्रॉब्लम्स, इजी, मीडियम, और विद टॉपिक ऑल्सो टैग्स. एंड देन सिमिलरली यहाँ पे अपन को एक कंपनी टैग्स मिल जाएगा. ये मतलब क्वेश्चन कौन कौन सी कंपनी में आया हुआ है, ऑल दैट. यू हैव ये फीचर टू randomize the questions. Like if you click this button, you will get a random question to solve. If you click that button again, you will get a different question, and that too unsolved question basically. So if you see, the question which I have already solved will be a marked here. And then apart from this, we have the contest section also. So we do have weekly contest. If you see, we already had 4 contests. This is upcoming, and 1 2 3, yeah. So this is completed. We can see the result also. So if I see the result for the second one, so I am the admin, that's why I'm able to see all this. So these were the, like Chetan, as like till now Chetan has been the top ranker in our platform. So Chetan is leading everywhere. And then Rahul, Mayank, Shoaib, Asim and all. So so contest is there. Another thing is compiler. If you need just a compiler, then you can use this compiler. Like you can what we can call it, अगर आपको सिर्फ कोड कंपाइल करना है, then you can come here and run it, and you'll see the output. Another good feature for this is, let's say you have written hello Afzal Khan, whatever code you have written, जो भी कोड आपने लिखा है, आप चाहते हो कि मैं इसको व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर ना करूँ, you can directly share the code from here. Like you don't have to copy paste, you just have to click on this share icon. A unique link will be created associated with this code. You can copy the link and share to someone. Let's say a link I have been copied. If I open the link, it will open the same code which I did written over here. See, it is coming Afzal Khan. Even we can run it. So this was a feature which I wanted to show you, as it's a showcase video. So another thing is, like, you can go to your profile, you can see how many questions you have solved and all. Apart from this, what features you have got is, so this tab DSA programs is only for premium users. Basically, we had started a DSA program, basically guidance programs. I don't teach there. I just provide the questions, solutions, and doubts clearance, and the explanation videos also from the Sumit sir YouTube channel. And they watch it, they solve it, and they submit the solution. So let's say if I open any question, let's say like in this जो structured course है, इसमें आपको स्ट्रक्चर्ड मतलब बेसिक टू मीडियम, मीडियम टू हार्ड क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे। इसमें एकदम मतलब क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस का ऑर्डर, किस ऑर्डर में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं, दैट मैटर। तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर यू। क्या करना है कि जैसे स्ट्रिंग के क्वेश्चंस हमें सॉल्व करने हैं, लेट्स से परमुटेशन ऑफ स्ट्रिंग, तो यू विल कम हियर, राइट द कोड। आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड इट। सो लाइक दिस, like in this you will get structured questions, nothing else, but like you will get all the questions from here also, but the thing is questions will be unstructured. So topic, sections, and order, and display order, everything. Another thing we have, so this was the showcase till now. What else is we are going to, like another feature is mock interviews. So if you want to schedule a mock interview with me or with any other person who is working already in man companies, like for my introduction, I had worked in Amazon as an SDA2. And so if you want to schedule a mock interview with me or with the same profile to me, you can schedule it from here for DSA. Even if you are interested for developers, like for tab interviews जो हम daily companies में देते हैं, तो you can schedule from here also. There is a minimal cost to it. Basically to run the platform I need something na, so that's why I had added some cost. So this was the mock interviews. Other than that, we have a challenge which is getting started from 4th November. It's called 75 hard. So you, I'm expecting you all know about 75 hard challenge. Here we are implementing the same thing in the coding. So the rules are going to be same. Let's say if you click to this, you can read all the rules. मतलब रूल जो 75 चैलेंज हार्ड चैलेंज में होते हैं वही रहेंगे, इट इज जस्ट के कोडिंग वे में रहेंगे. यू कैन ट्रैक how many days completed, how many, like what's your history, whether you have missed a day, then you have to start from day one, all that. You can view the leaderboard. So leaderboard is basically to motivate and to basically generate a voice from ourselves. You have to solve the questions, so for that purpose only. Apart from this, we have a program section. We are running upcoming programs, so you can explore here. Like for the quick overview, this is something platform access and structured question which I already showed you. If you want this tab to be visible for you, like you want to solve the questions in a structured way, अब वो मुझे पता है कि जब तक स्ट्रक्चर वे में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करोगे, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू लर्न डीएसए. सो दैट्स द रीजन पीपल स्टार्ट डीएसए. लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं बट एट सम पॉइंट दे लेफ्ट इट बिकॉज उन्हें क्वेश्चंस का ऑर्डर ही नहीं मिला. दे सॉ ए टफ क्वेश्चन एंड दे गिव अप. तो वही बात है, लाइक चीज़ें वही हैं, नेट पे भी अवेलेबल है फ्री में, बट थिंग इज के इफ़ यू वांट कि जो चीज़ें हैं वो स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में मिलें और एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाए उन्हीं चीज़ों को सॉल्व करने के लिए, देन देयर इज अ चार्ज फॉर इट. सो व्हाट्स द चार्ज? आई थिंक ये 1400 approx 1500. Another thing, this is going to be start from 1st November. This is uh, level 1 to be completed in 30 days. So level 1 will complete all the topics which are here. इसमें बस क्या है कि क्वेश्चंस का जो मीडियम है वो इजी रहेगा, इजी टू मीडियम. हार्ड इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर. 1 or 2 और मे बी मैक्सिमम 10 क्वेश्चंस वो हार्ड रहने वाले हैं, बट मैक्सिमम द क्वेश्चंस विल बी ऑन इजी. और इसमें 30 डेज में विल बी कंप्लीटिंग कंप्लीटली लेवल 1. सारे टॉपिक्स कवर होंगे. द थिंग इज विल बी सॉल्विंग 150 to 180 क्वेश्चंस. मिनिमम 150 मैंने लिखा है क्योंकि द थिंग विच आई डू प्रोमिस आई वांट टू मेंटेन दैट. सो उससे ज़्यादा रहने वाला है. इसमें एक चीज़ क्या है, जैसे जो अभी हमारा कोर्स चल रहा है, मतलब जो प्रोग्राम चल रहा है उसमें क्या है कि हम इसका एक्सेस तो देते ही हैं, Apart from this is what we gave is we do provide the mock interviews in free. Like they don't have to come here and schedule with money. They can schedule automatically. So उसमें I think मैंने सारा लिखा हुआ है कि क्या क्या रहता है. I'm not sure कि है कि नहीं. बट दिस इज द थिंग विच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि इसमें कम्प्लीटली मिलेगा. तो इसमें क्या क्या मिलेगा, टॉपिक सारे ये रहेंगे और ये एक बार पढ़ सकते हो कि क्या क्या रहने वाला है. डेली 5 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं. वीकली कॉन्टेस्ट होता है. डाउट सेशंस ट्वाइस ए वीक. मॉक इंटरव्यूज ऑब्वियसली फ्री. रीड द सबको मिलने वाला है यहाँ पे. और रिज्यूम गाइडेंस क्योंकि इंटरव्यूज में लिस्टिंग के लिए, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग के लिए वी नीड बेटर रिज्यूम. सो वो मिलने वाला है रिज्यूम गाइडेंस. एंड लेवल 2 ऑब्वियसली स्टार्ट होगा लेवल 1 के बाद. सो जो लेवल 1 में अभी से होंगे दे विल गेट एडिशनल 15% डिस्काउंट फॉर लेवल 2 कोर्स. दिस मीन्स दिस फी इज ओनली फॉर लेवल 1. दी लाइक जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो. What else we have? If you so one thing, if you want to join 75 hard challenge, you can join from here. I have already joined, so it's saying that you have already joined, and you will get all the mails जो भी जब से start होगा. If you want to explore all the programs which we are offering, you can explore from here. They are the same. Other than that, if you just want to solve the questions, check out the crafterhack.com and solve the questions in easy way. And along with that, I think you are not able to see the feedback button, but because I'm there, so it's in bottom right corner. If you click on this feedback button, you'll see. So whatever you are noticing, as we launched it recently, so whatever you feel it should be in this way, in that way, you can share your experience. You're most welcome, and we'll work on your feedback and come to you with a better craft hack again. And yeah, I think that was it which I wanted to discuss. And let me know if you have any questions. Even you can reach out to me on my email, this one, or even my personal email or personal email. I'll mention in the description or maybe in the bio. um, I think that's it which I wanted to discuss. See you next time.